Coco Santi, des moments.
Used to hate me cause I'm Haitian. Now they love me cause I'm Haitian.
So let me get in here. No, you're not. You're not getting in my vehicle and fucking my seat.
What
You
the
cannot
fuck are you
fit.
talking about?
You can't fit.
That's not 10. This is a sedan. But I can fit. Why?
All right, look. Let me show. Let me see.
All right,
Let me see. Hold up. Wait. Wait. Stop everything. Wait. Nikki, why you doing like that?
Oh, hey.
Why you doing like that?
I mean, what's good?
What's up? Why you doing like that?
What I do?
I heard the record. Why you doing like that?
I mean, I was playing, and I thought it was a great, way to show love to Biggie.
Okay.
And I mean, would you have been mad if I would have said you?
No. I wanted you to say my name. I'm mad you didn't say my name. Dang.
Oh, see, that's the
I'm
real,
mad.
that's real nigga, shit right there.
Yeah, for real.
I'm gonna make up a new version.
Thank you.
And make it happen.
Thank you. I appreciate you, Nikki. I love you. Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
The
Oh
bomb.
my God. Thank
You
you.
like,
Thank you, Nikki. Thank you.
Would anyone like 4 piping hot cups of coffee?
That's my register. Chill out, man. Stop. Wait, no.
You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go.
Don't touch me, my nigga.
Right now.
Where 50 at, nigga? The old
gotta
50.
go.
You forgot where the fuck you came from, nigga? Don't lie. I'm dead serious, nigga.
Let's go.
I let myself in. They'll pay that 50 shit, my nigga.
Come on,
Don't touch
out.
me, man. Mind your business. That got to do with you, white girl. Mind your business. Call me. Hang up the phone, my nigga. Hang up the phone. Play that old 50, my nigga. Take that old 50, nigga. You know what to play. Play it. Let's go, nigga.
Do we need a
Yo,
security?
we can't stay alive forever. Till the shit hit the fan, then we probably die.
Next on Hustle in Brooklyn, Danielle's latest comedy performance may be her last.
I thought I was in love. I just gonna laugh because y'all know me.
Next on Hustle in Brooklyn, Danielle's latest comedy performance may be her last.
I thought I was in love. I just gonna laugh because y'all know me.
What do you mean? You don't spend time with me. Come on, babe, don't do this. Don't drop me in front of these people. Don't drop me in front of these people. Come on, why are you doing that for? What are you drop me in front of everybody for? Come on, babe. Don't do this. Everybody gonna embarrass me like that? Come on. You embarrass me like that. Come on.
I think it's time to tell the world that you're having my baby.
God damn it! God damn it!
Stupid. He don't know what to do.
I think I got corona. Dad, you come on, understand me. I need your help. I need your help, Dad. Can you step? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Dog, that ain't no Lil Wayne. Y'all the lowest of the low. Y'all come out here with this fake ass Lil Wayne and this fake ass entourage.
You gotta hold off a minute, okay? You messing with my hustle.
You messing with my hustle.